If you think a tech conference is just a bunch of people sitting in a dark room, writing code, you are completely wrong. Last year, I was just another face in the crowd at WordCamp Vienna. But this year, I was behind the scenes, part of the team running the social media.
This WordCamp would not happen without our organizers. And we are 13 organizers that are mostly here with us right now. Can you please stand up for a second or two?
I got free hotel stays, partied in one of Europe's most beautiful cities, and realized something amazing. WordPress isn't just software, it's a family. Let me show you what actually happened at WordCamp Vienna 2026 and why you need to be at the next one. Today I want to just take you through a brief story about WordCamp Vienna. And right now I am just at the WordCamp venue here in Vienna at WordCamp Vienna at the University of Vienna. And if my camera person can follow me, I just want to show you around this. So it so happened to be that we have such a beautiful venue, the University of Vienna. We have a beautiful fountain here. And this here was, our, conference hall. And in there we have different, rooms which our, attendees could attend or to access the event. And the beautiful thing is that, which I never imagined that would happen to me, is to be an organizer at WordCamp Vienna. And I am so happy I was invited to be part of the team, because in the process I've learned a lot. I've met many amazing people, also like the person helping me to film this. I have been part of WordPress communities in Uganda, Linz, and Salzburg, and I've always loved the vibe.
Me?
Guys, meet Stefan. Stefan is one of our meetup members in Linz.
No.
And just tell us, Stefan, what brought you to WordCamp Vienna?
The community.
Community
is here.
We have another one. Walter.
Hello.
Walter, welcome. We didn't see you yesterday. We missed you, by the way. So welcome to Vienna.
I've changed my opinion.
Your opinion?
The last two times on the WordCamps I was on Saturday and on Friday.
On Friday? And today you decided to only come on Saturday.
Saturday.
So I was just having Stefan here to tell us why he decided to come for WordCamp Vienna. And he says community. What else? Have you taken some coffee?
No.
You don't take coffee?
I don't like coffee. So
okay.
for me, it's the community, the networking.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
part
I'm here for.
And what are you looking forward to for today, which is day 2?
Some AI talks.
Do you have special talks you want to listen to or to watch or to attend?
The meetup talk at 12 o'clock in the community area here.
Okay.
That's what I will attend.
Anything else?
No.
Okay. And if you would say one thing for people who consider to come to WordCamp Vienna, what would you say to them?
Come here. It's informative. It's a great place. You should be here.
Awesome. So guys, that is Stefan, and I know him from my meetup group or meetup. It's not a group, it's a meetup. Yeah, our meetup in Linz. He's one of the amazing guys. I learned a lot from him, especially the WordPress CLI. So he showed me some commands, and that's how I happened to get to know about the CLI, and I started to use it in my projects. And he's the guy, and you can only meet such amazing guys from WordPress meetups and at WordCamps just like this. So when an organizer I met last year emailed me and asked, "Hey Hamza, we have already started planning WordCamp Vienna 2026, and we are still looking for a few more engaged people to join the team. Would you be interested?" I panicked a little. Between university and my work, my schedule was an absolute mess, and it still is. Plus, I had never run social media for a massive tech event. But I realized something. If you want to be part of a community, Eventually, you have to step off the sideline. So I said yes, and suddenly I was in meetings, planning content, thinking about how to tell the story of WordCamp Vienna online. For the first time, I wasn't just attending, I was helping shape the experience. And the event itself, incredible. The talks were amazing, the coffee was flowing, and the energy was just electric. Alright guys, so this is the atmosphere right now at WordCamp. So we are like in a very short break and people are just having a good time, just, some coffees. We have sponsor tables right there at the back. Anyway, I'm just mumbling. I just wanted to show you around the venue and a space, very amazing space, and people are having a good time. All right. Guys, this time around at WordCamp Vienna, we have a very special coffee bike from these guys called Daum Joaco. So I couldn't pronounce the name. But these guys, they grow their own coffee from Colombia, brew it, and they just brought us here freshly brewed coffee. And it's all on the wheels. Just like that. There we go. And people at WordCamp have said this has so far been the best coffee at the WordCamp. So we are happy to have these guys. And I'm just receiving my coffee right now. So I just ordered one from these guys.
Yeah, I'll just take a latte, please.
Latte? Regular milk?
Yeah.
I wait. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. Yeah. So there comes my coffee, and cheers to more WordCamp Vienna. Wait, before check that. I think we have some of the finest baristas around today. We spent the whole weekend capturing that vibe for social media. Now we are getting started off with the day. And today is going to be a special one because it's like the real official day for the WordCamp Vienna. And this is the amazing team right here. And we have, hey Greg! Nice photos, my friend.
Yeah.
Nice photos, well done. I do really appreciate this. This is Greg, one of our amazing photographers. Amazing guy. He sent me some photos for social media real quick, and we love this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Say something to my subscribers. Just tell them to subscribe.
Something.
Yeah. Just tell them to subscribe to the channel. You guys subscribe.
Come to Vienna. Come to the WordCamp. It's really nice.
Greg, I wish you a nice day.
You too.
And the best part, people actually noticed the work we did. Attendees came up to me and said, we saw the social media. There was more energy this year. And that hit me because it showed something important. WordPress is not just about building websites. It's about people. It's about community. It's about contribution. But here is the most important thing you need to know, especially if you're watching this and thinking, I am not a web developer. This isn't for me. Let me tell you about my friend. She's a photographer. Yes, her website runs on WordPress, but she doesn't care about the CMS or the tech stack. She cares about her photography business. I invited her to volunteer as a photographer at the event. Yes, we had business owners, designers, beginners, and even 12 and 16-year-olds there. If you are curious, you belong to WordCamp. And here is the crazy part about this community. Because my photographer friend was there, she actually hosted me at her flat in Vienna. I didn't have to pay for accommodation. And it gets better. Another friend I met through the WordPress community offered me an entire room at his hotel, completely for free. Think about that for a second. You don't get free hotel stays and open couches from a standard tech networking event. You get that from a family. We wrapped up the event with an epic after party, celebrating an amazing weekend in one of the most beautiful cities in the world. You guys remember I mentioned about the speakers dinner we had yesterday? It was at this restaurant called Freiheits. So loosely translated as free hearts. I hope that is correct. My German speakers, is that correct? So that's where we had it. It was an amazing afternoon. Yeah, it was really evening. It was amazing evening. Dance. I think I'll drop some videos from yesterday's. Had really good food, amazing people. Yeah, good music. Yeah, and had really a good time. I look forward to the next one. Will I volunteer again next year? I can't say for sure what my schedule will look like, but I know I will absolutely stay involved in this community in whatever way I can, because WordPress is powered by its people. So, is it time for you to attend one? Whether it's right here in Austria or in your own home country, just go. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to show up. And lastly, have you been to a tech event that felt like a family reunion? Let me know down in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. It seems like everything in Vienna is red. I'm red, the seats are red, the trains are red. Yeah, I think red here is the favorite color.